Welcome to the world famous Guarantee RV Super Centers right here in Junction City, Oregon. Hi, I'm Gary Christians, serving Guarantee since 1981, and I want you to be my customer. Today we're going to highlight another Northwood product, an Arctic Fox 29L. Come on, I got it all set up. I got the awning out, the slides going, the TV cranked up. Very nice, stable entry level, better than the little steps that come out. Come on inside. This unit just came in. Let's come back in here to the bedroom. You got a little pin to take out here. So this is a double slide. So it's got your master bed here that does lift up. It's got storage down below. It's got a safe, 2 chairs, and an entry map that say Arctic Fox on them. Electrical outlets on both sides. And as you can see here in the back, it's got storage areas down here. You can see the entry map. A little cover. Great hanging space, shelf up above, put shoes, etc. And of course, you got the same thing over on this side. I'm going to put the pin back in here so when they move this doesn't slide around. Great storage area. And full extensions. Got 6 drawers. And over on the wall is a remote control for your fantastic fan that you can operate in here to control the speed, the temperature, or to close it. Nice skylight, bring in ambient light. So if you're getting towards dark, you might not have to turn some lights on as much because you got this big skylight. Plenty of windows, reading lights up in the master bed. And entry door here as well. Slide controls right up here up on top. Kitchen area is up front, but we're going to stop at this gorgeous bathroom. I mean, this has got a great amount of storage space. Plenty of shelves in here, drawers down below, more drawers, and a nice big closet. And then they put hangers up right here for towels, etc. Porcelain toilet, plenty of foot room, vanity, nice medicine cabinet. You know, you might even have stuff for your stuff, let alone your wife. That's big enough. Plenty of counter space. We got storage down below. Got an electrical outlet with a GFI. Corner shower, glass enclosure with a skylight up on top. If you want to come over here and take a look. Nice big shower area. Skylight for plenty of headroom. It's got little trays in it, and you notice there's no seams. Very maintenance friendly. Got a slider door here to separate the bathroom. Fireplace. A lot of people kind of laugh, and I remind them if they're plugged in, you can make most of your, warm your coach up mostly from this fireplace, and you don't have to burn your propane. Control here for your temperature, USB ports, nice little shelf, and of course we got the TV turned on. Entertainment center, nice storage up on top. Working our way around the corner, nice deep drawers, and here's where you hang your jackets, so you can slide it out, get what you want, and then push them back in, which makes it very, very nice. We're on a roll. Let's just turn around and look at this. Here's your controller for your solar, which is up on top of the air conditioner, which is provided by the factory. And I'll show you outside where you can add an additional solar panel if you want. It's already wired in. Slide controls, awning controls, 110 hot water as well as propane, and that's a porcelain lined hot water tank, so you don't have that tinny smell from the water. It's a very good upgrade, and it's 10 gallons. Northwood refrigerator, same one I use in my trailer. Nice deep freezer up on top, and if you ever did have something melt in here, that's got a deep tray so it wouldn't dribble down the front. Good rack system, plenty of storage on the doors. What's better than having a gas oven than having a convection microwave? So if you're plowing along, you can be baking something up on top as well as down below. It's got the nice upgraded Furion 3-burner cooktop, nice backsplash, electrical outlet, Corian or solid surface countertop. It's got recessed sinks. Here's the big side, plenty of room there. Then it's got another real small one on this side. No, this doesn't have a window up front. They went with a solid cap, which we'll review when we get outside. But they put a little storage area in here, which of course is going to give you more storage, and also it's not going to let heat or cold come in by doing that. Good storage down below. Battery disconnect right there. Good use of the storage. Full extension on your drawers. Solid wood and high-grade plywood. And then over here you pick up more storage. And of course in this big one, nice pantry. Did you get a chance to see that? Freestanding dinette. Right now this unit just came in. The chairs are laid down. This is across the street. It's getting ready to go over to have a pre-delivery inspection done. So I left the chairs down. This does slide out, so you can take your chairs, spread them out, and then when you just have you and the two of you, well, then you can slide it back to make a wider space here. Thomas Paine furniture. It's got coolers and heaters in here that you can push the buttons, and these both recline. Very comfortable. Nice window space, and we have plenty of storage up above. For cups, games, everything's utilized. Every space. All high quality cabinetry. We've kind of rounded up the inside. Let me crank this awning in real quick. Nice thing about an electric awning, when it comes time, gosh, we better put the awning up. You're not looking at your mate saying, well, who's going to do what? Because one person can come over here, push the button, and within 30 seconds, the awning retracts, and nobody has to go outside. Almost there. Awesome. So if you look up, we have a fantastic fan in the kitchen, LED lights, a skylight to bring in some ambient light on those days where you might not want to turn all the interior lights on. Let's take a look outside. This releases a screen. So this has got the hinge pinched, so the door doesn't need a latch, so you don't have to worry about the door swinging around, banging on the side. Uh, 10-gallon hot water heater, as I mentioned, inside, porcelain lined. Electric awning you saw run. Electric stabilizers, controls are right on here. This is a full gel cap. And I mean full by, it extends all the way around your sidewalls, which gives the unit much more stability. It's a lot more expensive to make. but much stronger. We've got bed liner sprayed down below, so if you're going down the road and you put a little rock up, it's not going to mar your gel coat painted finish. 7-gallon propane tanks, which we fill at delivery. Storage for 2 RV batteries, which we include. LED lights up front, so if you're working up here, you not only have the little light on your electric jack, but you also have the LEDs over here. And again, corner stabilizer. I mentioned inside the solar panel, it's solar ready. All you have to do is pull this out, plug another panel in, sit it right out front, and you've got extra solar panel. Over here on the business side, we have an outdoor shower, satellite, and the cable ready, water fill, rack and pinion on your slides, Goodyear American-made tires. Here's your Blackwater flush. Dump stations down here. You've got an LED light, so if you're out here monkeying with that in the dark, you have some light. Now, this is a true 4-season unit, so the termination valves where you release the gray and the black, they're up inside in an enclosed, insulated, and heated tank. So as long as you have 12 volts and propane, you can have this out in 0-degree weather. Your coach is nice and comfy, and the tanks won't freeze up. Stabilizer control over here, so where I got the plug. 1-inch door, insulated, bulb seal, slam latch, little magnet up here to hold it. Ladder. You shouldn't get up on top of your coach. All of our customers have a free maintenance inspection every 6 months. We check your seams, sign off, so it validates your warranty with the manufacturer. All manufacturers have that provision of maintenance. We do it for free. Here's the other end of that storage I showed you from the rear. So it's a very long storage area, or you can go to the rear of the coach and access it there as well. I know you probably have a question or two, because it is a top-notch unit. Frame is made right at the factory by Northwood. They make the frame to fit the floor plan. They just don't take a blank Lippert chassis that's made for everybody to put on their unit. If you do have a question, just give me a call. You can reach me direct at 541-554-9581, or shoot me an email. I do appreciate taking your time to watch my video, and I hope to talk to you soon. Thank you.